Hi, I'm Phil McKnight from Sage, and I'd like to introduce you to our latest espresso machine, the Duo Temp Pro. At the heart of this machine we have a stainless steel lined thermocoil that has PID digital temperature control, the same temperature control as used in high-end commercial espresso machines. This means that the water that's delivered to the ground coffee is precisely at the right temperature, because we know that plus or minus 1 degree C can make a huge difference to the flavour in the cup. So the Duo Temp Pro features low pressure pre-infusion. This is a system where pump pressure is increased slowly throughout the extraction to prevent channeling. What's channeling? Channeling is where water under pressure takes the path of least resistance. It doesn't flow right through the coffee, it goes around weak spots in the coffee, between the coffee puck and the wall of the filter basket. This translates into flavour defects in the cup. The machine also has a very easy to use control panel. We have a centre control dial for standby, espresso or steam. We also have a selector button to transition from steam or hot water that's delivered via the steam wand, so you can preheat cups or make an Americano/long black. We also have an integrated tamper, and we have a large removable water tank that has a built-in scale filter to help reduce scale. So let's make a coffee and I'll show you how easy it is to use. Today I'm pairing our machine with our Smart Grinder Pro. It has digital dose control and stainless steel conical burrs. So what we need to do is just insert our portafilter straight into our grinding cradle and press our start button to start grinding. So our dosing's finished. All I need to do now is tamp lightly, around 15 kilos of pressure. And I'm going to use our razor dose trimming tool so I can trim the dose of ground coffee. Just trim it into our knockbox. This ensures we have a precision dose of coffee in our portafilter every time we extract. Just insert into the group head and turn our control dial to espresso. So right now our machine is in its low pressure pre-infusion mode right before it delivers full pump pressure. So you can see our coffee is extracting nice and slowly, controlled, flowing like warm honey. When we think we have enough espresso in our glass, we're just going to turn our control dial back to standby. So that's our espresso extraction. Now we're ready to texture some milk. So now we're just going to turn our control dial to steam. So our thermocoil is heating up to around 135 degrees C. When we've got a nice flow of steam, we're going to turn our control dial to pause. So now we've just paused our steam, insert into the jug and turn our control dial back to steam. So right now I've got the tip of the steam wand just at the surface of the milk, and what I'm trying to do there is create a whirlpool motion where air is being drawn into the hot milk and it's actually increasing in volume, creating microfoam bubbles. So we want the heating and the texturing to be one simultaneous process. It's not two independent parts. So I'm just using my fingers to judge the temperature of the milk, and when it's slightly too hot to touch, then I'll turn the steam dial back to standby. Wipe the end of our wand. And now our machine is auto purging. So this is automatically cooling down our thermocoil so it's ready for our next espresso extraction. So I've got really nice silky microfoam texture. So now I'm just going to integrate our milk together with our espresso, create a nice blank canvas. And there we have it, cafe quality coffee, quickly and simply on the Duo Temp Pro.